I'm super excited about the collab between Jones Road and Tweezerman. My love affair with Tweezerman started organically when I was a kid and I found the Tweezerman in my mother's makeup cabinet. I've always been someone that knows a good tweezer makes a big difference, and I used to literally throw my makeup on the ground after a shoot and reorganize everything. And one day it hit me. I'm like, I don't need all this stuff. I just need the best stuff. So I chose my best eyelash curler, my best tweezer, and truthfully, they were Tweezerman. So when thinking about what to put in a collaboration, for me, I always start with figuring out what are the essential things that people need. Because I don't like having too many things, but I like having the right things. So the first one I'll talk about is for the brows. So when it came to the eyebrows, there was no question I was gonna choose and build a kit around the slanted tweezer. I've had this forever. Make sure that we're always tweezing the way the hair grows, not the opposite, because it could break off. It will grow back quicker and leave a little bit of a dark spot. And did you know that my beloved slant tweezer has won the Allure Best of Beauty over 20 times? In the kit, you get to pick your own brow pencil color. Now this eyebrow pencil is so great because it has little teeny fibers in them, which help really build up your eyebrows. For those of us that have tweezed away a lot of eyebrows from when we were younger, this really helps fill it in. There are 5 colors to choose from, depending on the color of your hair and the color of your eyebrows. It has a lot to do with the color of your eyebrows, but the same tone as your hair. So that is one collaboration. And the other collaboration is how can we build the best kit around your eyelashes? So of course, we had to start with a black mascara, and the Jones Road mascara is award-winning and really, really black. And there are 2 curlers. You don't just choose them for what they look like, but you choose them for the shape. You get to choose between the Curl 38, which is for almond eyes, and the Curl 60, which is for round eyes. I have almond eyes, I have deep set eyes, and so this is a game changer. If you have round eyes and larger eyes, the Curl 60 makes all the difference in the world. Soraya has the most beautiful round eyes, and so I'm using the eyelash curler open to literally make the eyes open up and make the eyelashes really, really curl. Then a couple coats of really black mascara to make her eyes pop. And this is an amazing start to anyone's makeup bag. So these are going to be the essentials in your kit, and then you have everything you need to make your eyes and your eyebrows perfect and stand out.